first cube, the Diancheng Solar S. I actually don't know if they still have a normal Diancheng Solar S. I think they only have the Diancheng Solar Plus. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good reviews about it. Let's see if I agree. Okay. No, I'm not copying anybody. No. This is a pain to open. Definitely had better unboxing experiences. This cube isn't starting out great. Although I gotta say, for being $11, I think, pretty good unboxing experience. Okay, so there's the cube. It has those extra centerpieces, which, in my opinion, are extremely pointless. So I know that this is kind of copying the Maymong series. I actually think that was the other one, but let's see. Let's open the accessories. Extra core, extra springs, extra screws, whatever this is, and oh my goodness, this stand does not remind me of anything at all. No. Anyways, let's get into the performance. Whoa. It's kind of sandy. Wood cutting is pretty nice. Yeah, I like it so far. I think this break-in won't be as sandy, which I like. How's the reverse wood cutting? My goodness, that's pretty good. Wow. Well, so far I like it better than the R3M, but currently it's not, but with a little bit of lube so it's less sandy, I think it will be perfectly fine. So here I also got, my mom got this from Cubicle since she knows that Amazon stinks. So yeah, I don't know why, I think she might have used code CubeHead. I didn't even know that she knows that he exists, but you know. So, well, I need to do this off camera. Okay, that took fairly long, but this is my first ever GAN cube, and I'm excited. So it has a solution, whatever. Here we go, accessories. Let's see. Whoops. The GAN tension tool. I didn't know that was in this cube. Ooh, a GAN bag. I completely forgot about these. It has something, I don't know what that is. And haven't seen this in person. It is way bigger than I thought it'd be. It's the GAN pamphlet. So, let's get that out of the way. How do you open this? There you go. So now we have the cube, which is in wrapping. It's just have frosted plastic. However, I don't really care that much. Let's see, how is it? Now I know why people like GAN so much. Oh my goodness. This is nice. It's let's see, what is the adjustment system? Oh, okay. So you can use this tool. I don't know what the difference necessarily is. So let's see, you can put it here. Oh. Oh no. Yeah, hold on. Whew, that was stressful. But yeah, I really like this cube. It's so light. Hold on. I need to see the weight of this. So it turns out this is the second lightest cube on the market that's, well, actually a speed cube. It is behind the GAN 11 and the GAN 11 Air. It doesn't have magnets though, and it's, I think, like, I don't know why they released a non-magnetic version. Everybody uses magnets. Everybody uses magnets nowadays. So, yeah, it's really good. But I know cubes don't have feelings. But I kind of feel bad for the RS3M 2021 because one of these is taking over. So what is my final conclusion? Well, I did an average of 25 with both cubes. And on the Diansheng Solar SM, I got 29.09, I believe, which is pretty good. But the scrambles were lucky. That is why it's N. For the GAN 11M, I got 30 seconds flat. So you might say, oh, well, is the Diansheng Solar M your main? I can't decide yet. Now, I just have to do a battle between every single thing that you want in a cube. Now, as far as comfortability goes, yeah, I definitely like the GAN 11 maglev. However, when I did those solves, that was when I was breaking them in, and because the Diansheng Solar SM is a budget cube, it was already broken in pretty well. So this is like its max potential. And I didn't lube the GAN 11M. So they're probably, if I lubed them and broke them in already, they'd probably be equal. So which one am I choosing? I don't know yet. That is the biggest thing. Most of the time when I unbox a new cube, it's my new main. But I don't know about that in this case. So I want to do the GAN 11M because, like, I don't know, it's just a better cube in general, I'd say. However, this is also a really good cube. For a budget pick, I don't know if I'd recommend this over the RS3M 2021, but this is a bit cheaper, so if you want to save a few bucks, I think that they have an equal value. However, if you're willing to spend $35, the GAN 11M is a lot better. It's also extremely light, which is something I love. And it's GAN. Like, come on. It's GAN. That's the fact that that's a thing, saying it's GAN, is kind of crazy. I mean, GAN, they definitely have the best cubes. However, their prices, yeah, they could definitely improve on those. But I mean, people buy them, so it's not bad. But I recommend this. But as far as value goes, the Solar SM is way better. Plus the fact that it's from Diansheng. Like, I'd heard of Diansheng before, but I, like, didn't care about it at all. Like, they mainly just made non-WCA cubes. And this is my first Diansheng cube, and it's really nice. I like it. And this is also my first GAN cube. And it's insane. They're both really good cubes. You can't go wrong with either, but you're on a budget. So if you're on a budget, get the Solar S. If you don't really care about performance, I actually think that the GAN 12M maglev would be better, but I don't have that because I don't feel like spending that, but yeah.